In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in a Microsoft Word document with ease. Whether you're adjusting a paragraph for professional purposes or simply tidying up your document's layout, justifying text ensures that your words align smoothly on both the left and right margins, often giving your document a more polished and formal appearance. It's a subtle change that can make a significant difference, and I'm here to walk you through this straightforward process step by step. So let's get started by opening up the Microsoft Word document that you want to work on. Once the document is open, take a look at the text you've written. Identifying the sections you want to justify is the first step. This could be several paragraphs or just a specific part of your text, depending on your needs. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to select the portion of text you'd like to justify. It's important to highlight the exact text because this selection determines what will be affected by the justification process. Now that you have your text highlighted, we're ready to move on to the main task, justifying the text. The simplest method involves a quick keyboard shortcut. All you need to do is press Ctrl and J on your keyboard simultaneously, and you'll notice that the selected text automatically adjusts itself, aligning neatly with both the left and right margins. This shortcut is a true time saver, especially if you often work with documents that require a clean and organized look. If you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's an alternative way to achieve the same result using the Word interface. With your text still selected, direct your attention to the top of your Word window where you'll see a tab labeled Home. Clicking on this tab will reveal a variety of formatting options. Focus on the section titled Paragraph. Here, you'll find several alignment icons, including the one for justification, which is represented by a symbol with lines aligned against both margins. Simply click on this icon, and your text will instantly become justified. And there you have it. Your text is now justified and looks perfectly aligned. This format is particularly useful for documents like reports, essays, or any formal text where consistent alignment is desired. Remember, the key to mastering Word is familiarity with its features, and justifying text is just one of many formatting tools at your disposal. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your document formatting tasks a little bit easier. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy writing, and until next time.